All right, here we are in equation, exercise number 3. And if you have a bar magnet, you can do this at home too. I've got a couple pins. I'm going to rub one of the pins with the bar magnet. But first, I want to see if it picks up the other pins. So I'm just going to go around, and it's not picking anything up. So now what I'm going to do is take a pin, and I'm going to stroke it on the bar. Oops. I'm going to stroke it on the bar magnet. I'm going to do it off screen because the magnet's going to pull it up. So now I'm stroking it on a bar magnet. You know, a lot of times. Now I'm going to see if I can pick something up. You see how now it's picking up a pin, but it picks up one pin. It doesn't seem to want to pick up more than one pin in a row. And it's sort of, oh, it almost picked up. So what I've done is I've created a magnet. This particular pin, what I've done by stroking it one direction on a magnet is make the iron domains face in one direction. And doing so makes a permanent magnet. Now, a much stronger magnet you can have is by taking a steel nail and wrapping it with some wire. And we're going to make a magnet, a solenoid. So this is actually an electromagnet. What we've just done just a few seconds ago is made a permanent magnet out of a pin. And you have to have ferromagnetic material, either nickel or iron, or some other materials. Like there's other ones that are magnetic, but not very commonly found. So what we're going to do is use our power supply. And we're first going to use this one right here. I'm going to put a DC power supply. I don't want the current to go back and forth, so I don't want to put on AC. Oops. All right, so I'm going to use the one with, let's count. I think it has 10 on it. Let me take my little pointer here. Let's count how many loops are on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this one has 10 loops on it. And where'd my pins go? I'm going to put my pins over here. I'm going to see if I can pick up more than one pin. So I only got to pick up one pin using before. So what I'm going to do is I am going to turn on my power supply, turn it to about 2 volts or so. So I'm going to do that off screen. I'll show you what the power supply reads after I move it up because, oh, yeah, there's the maximum. It may not get to 2 points because the maximum current. So see if I can get it up to 1 volt. All right, I got it up to 1.2. Okay, it's going to get really hot. All right, I got it about to 1.3. Now let's see if I can pick anything up. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. It's picking up a bunch of them. Oh, it's picking up a chain of 3 of them. So can you see that? It's picking up a whole bunch of them. So I can only pick up 1 in a chain, but this one will pick up, I don't think it can pick up 1 more. Nope, not quite. But it can pick up 3 in a chain. So now what I'm going to do is turn it off. This is a lot of current going through here, and this thing's going to get really hot. So what I'm going to do is switch this with double the amount of coils. So let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so there's 20 coils on this one. And we are going to do the same thing as before. The leads are a little hot from the first one. So now I have more coils. So you can predict what's going to happen. Each coil acts like a magnetic field. Again, in the beginning of the lecture, and in your regular lecture on Wednesdays, you should talk about that. One single coil loop is equal to 1 bar magnet. The magnet gets set up along the axis of this nail. Now you can see it's not picking anything up, but what I'm going to do is turn it on and see if it picks up anything. The same as it was before, 1.2 volts. Whoa. Okay, it picks up almost all of them. Oh, wow. Let's see if I can get them, how much I can get them on a chain. Let's see if I can get 4 in a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it definitely picks up more. I'm trying to get this one up on the chain, but how many can I get in the chain? It's kind of hard to do this chain-wise. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see that it picks up an awful lot more than the first one. Trying to get it up. Now, watch what happens when I turn the power off. Now, it's not picking up anything. So this is a way to make a magnet turn on and off at will. Turn it on, it picks up. Turn it off, it lets go. So this is called an electromagnet. You can change the strength of the field by adding more loops, increasing the current, and the area plays a little bit of a role, but not much. So it's basically the number of loops, and it has to do with the material that you wrap it around as well. If you put an iron or steel nail inside of it, you make it even stronger. All right, so that is exercise number 3. No, it says wrap it 40 times. It was hard for me to wrap it 40 times around, so it does say, if you notice in the procedure, wrap it 40 times. It's I suppose I could have double wrapped it, but you get the idea. I doubled the amount of coil loops in there, and you can see it was a dramatic effect. All right, so this is exercise number 3. Now we're going to go on and proceed to exercise number 4, which is using the solenoids, the more professional looking electromagnets.